there is an extra step that may be included when you are using the DIY tapping worksheet. I definitely recommend adding in this step when it seems appropriate to do so. You might choose to include this step if you feel like the overall issue is highly charged and you'd like to feel calmer before getting into it. Conversely, it can also be helpful to use this step if you feel out of touch with the emotions around the issue, or if you feel blocked about it. Gently tapping while you're focused on the general issue can help in either case. Adding this step sometimes helps you to get in touch with the sub-issues. You may try it and notice another sub-issue that you hadn't even realized was connected or there. It's called general tapping, and you insert this step between step 1 and 2. All you do is take the issue you wrote down in step 1 of your DIY tapping worksheet and do some very basic tapping rounds to see if you can bring the edge off of the intensity. You use straightforward wording. Once you've rated your initial intensity on that statement, try this. The setup statement is just your step 1 issue. The reminder phrases are also just other ways of stating the issue. You can even say the same thing on every point, or you can change it up a little. Tap for several rounds on this, or as much or little as feels right to you. Here's an example. Step 1. I feel totally stressed out about my student loans. So tapping on the karate chop point, you'd say, even though I feel totally stressed out about my student loans, I love and accept myself completely, and you tap while you say this 3 times. Then you tap through your points using the same or similar reminder phrases, such as top of the head, I feel totally stressed out about my student loans. Eyebrow point, I feel so stressed out about this. Side of the eye, I am so stressed out about this. Under the eye, all this stress. Under the nose, I feel so stressed out. Chin, I feel totally stressed out. Collarbone, all of this stress. Under the arm, I feel so stressed out. Wrist, I am so stressed. It's that basic. Sometimes, when people are first exposed to tapping, this is how they tap. They focus on the global statement and just keep tapping through the points. This is too simplistic and superficial to get full results if it is all that you do. It doesn't get to the root of the issue, but sometimes starting with the general issue does have its place as an additional step. A few things may happen as you do this kind of general tapping. The intensity may go down, which could help you to relax and see things more clearly. Or the intensity might go up, which may mean that you're tuning into the problem even more, which would be great. Or you may have some clarity about the sub-issues that you can now write down for step 2. Or finally, you could realize that this isn't the issue at all and that it may be about something else entirely. In any case, using this step 1A, this general tapping, can be a very useful part of the process.